Hello guys, I'm going to explain one of my school project which is basically airline reservation system. My name is Soumya. I have developed a web application for allowing the customers to use the website and make flight reservations. So the background of it, I have developed the code in Eclipse Mars supporting JavaScripts in JSP format and using HTML and SQL as the front end. So here you can see my individual pages of the JSP. So my main focus is the home JSP. So if I click on that, it generates the code that I have written, and so I'm gonna execute the file which run on Tomcat version 7.0, which navigates to my home page. So this is my web application. So here you can see there are three major functionalities. The first one is manager login, customer login, and representative login. So if I click on manager login, it should display a page with username and password. So I'm entering the details, the username and then password, and I'm trying to log into the account. So here you can see welcome to manager account. So again, a manager is a person who has access to all the information that is available to the website, and he's a person who can change or add details, and he has information about his employees, about his representatives, about all the airlines that are available and the airports and the flight timings and how much bidding he needs to do, so and all the reports. So first we will see his employees information. So here you can see two buttons, one is add and another one is view. So if I click on the view, I can get the information about his employees. So here I have the information about his employees, such as ID, last name, first name, their address and their phone numbers, along with the start date, when they started and how much hourly rate they're going to pay. So if there is any new employee, and for suppose I'm the manager, so I want to add a new employee name in here. So I'm gonna type it. So it's gonna be any random name. With the zip code and the telephone, with the start date, and how much hourly rate that I'm gonna pay, and then I'm adding it. So here you can see the employee added successfully. So as a manager, I can add the information about my employees. And then there are representatives. So he has access to representative information as well. So here you can see their ID, their names, their address and their email address, along with the registration date and their password too. So at any time, at any given point of time, if he wants to make changes to the representatives, or if he wants to terminate the contract with them, he can have the access to them if and take the access from them again. So if he is terminated all of a sudden, then the manager still have the access to the system. So, and then here you can see the airlines. So if I click on that and view, so here are the available airlines for the website. So as you can see, there are a few number of them, and if the manager still wants to add any new airline, or if he wants to change any existing airline name. So here you can see AV. So if I want to edit the information, I click on that, so and I change it as Anna Airways. I don't think we do normally change airways names, but here I just want to mention how he can access to change the information. So here the record updated successfully, and so whatever, here you can see the airways name is changed. So yep, he can add or he can edit the information too. So and then you can see the airports. So here are the number of airports that are available flying from various destinations. So for suppose it has a airport ID number, a name and the country and the destination and traveling city it has. So I'm gonna add, suddenly there is another airport that came into